Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. And today guys, I want to teach us how to design a wine stand. So with no further ado guys, let's go straight down to the order of the day. Now I just opened Coreldraw. As you can see, this is the wine I'm working with, and these are the two colors I'm working with here. So what's the first thing to do here? The first thing to do is go come here and go to Bezier tools, because I need to draw out the stand we want to work on. So the first thing I'm going to do is to draw out the first shape of the stand, which is what I'm doing now. You can see I'm using my Bezier tools. That's the first shape of the stand. As you can see, this is it. So after drawing, you use your F10 and zoom in to perfect it in case there's any place you're not comfortable with. Then after that, I go again to my shape to my Bezier tools and come here and follow the shapes and draw out the second shape I'm working with. As you can see, I'm doing it, guys. This is the second shape I'm working with. As you can see, a very simple design. Less than 5 minutes I should be done, or 5 minutes too short. So guys, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe so you understand my tutorials. So the next thing I'm going to do now, let me give it a color. So these are the two colors I'm working with. So I'm going to use I'm going to drag this like this and drop it here and click on color fill. Can you see it? Then for this other one here, I'm going to drag it also and drop it here and click on color fill. I just give the two a color. Now let me draw the inside one. I don't want to waste our time on this tutorial. It's a very simple design. Just stay with me, guys. So this up one too, I'm going to be giving it something darker. So I'm going to use my color eyedropper tools. I'm going to click on it here and click on this dark part here and drop it here like this. Can you see? That's what I'm using for this part. So let me draw out the two shape here. The two shape I have here, let me draw them out. So after drawing, we perfect it. So I'm going to come here and give it, let me click on my color eyedropper also. Come here. Here is lighter. I'm giving something a bit lighter like this. Can you see? It's too dark. I need something lighter. Let me pick from the wine bottle. I need something lighter like this. This is good. Something light like this. Let me page up this up one here. So the last one I want to draw now is this part here. Just stay with me, guys. The last one I want to draw is this part. Just stay with me, guys. So I'm going to go like this, and go like this. So this part here is going to be dark, no doubt about it. So I'm going to click on my color eyedropper and click on the dark part here and drop it here like this. Can you see it? It's going to be dark. So after that, the next thing I'm going to do now is to come to my Bezier tools also. Click on my Bezier tools and draw out let me say a rectangle, but it's not really a rectangle. I'm trying to have a black fill here. Just see what I want to do with this black, because I need this part to be dark. So I'm going to give it a black color. After giving a black color, I'm going to come to my bitmap and bitmap it like this. Then after I bitmap it, I'm going to go to my blur and blur it out. Let's see what we have, guys. Can you see? I just blur it out and click on my OK. After blurring, click on my OK. Let me increase it a bit. Like this. That's not all. So for this part here, this one here, I'm going to come here to my fountain. I'm going to come to my fountain here and click on this third one, the fountain fill. And as if that's not enough, I'm going to come here, click on this part, then come here, click on this brush here. I'll click on the brush and come here to pick the color I want to use. Can you see? Let me just take it out so you can see what I'm doing now. This color here is what I have here. So what I want to do now, I need a black fill at the edges. I need a black fill at the edge. So see what I'm trying to do, guys. I need something black at the edge. It's too black. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to take it backwards, like more backwards. So I just need the black to fill a bit, not too deep. Can you see what I'm having, guys? I need the black to fill it a bit, not too deep, like this. Let me take it up a bit. It's too dark. Let me lighten it up a bit. It's too dark. So I'm going to click here now. I'll just click here now. I'm going to come here. Let me lighten up a bit, like this. This is okay. Can you see it now? Then I click on my OK. So now I click on my OK. Then after that, I'm going to take the wine and put the wine. Let me page up in the middle. Put the wine in the middle and centralize it properly. In the middle, centralize it properly like this. I have not removed the outline, so let me group everything and remove the outline once and for all. So I just remove the outline. The next thing I'm going to do now is to give the wine a shadow. And how do I go about that? So I'm going to click on the shadow here right now and do like this and make it straight like this. Then after that, I'll come to my objects and break shadow. So I just break the shadow now. Let me separate the wine so we can see. So this is the shadow. Can you see it? So I have the shadow here and I have the wine here. So let me arrange the wine back to its position. So this is the wine. So now I have the shadow here. So the next thing I'm going to do is to come here, reduce the shadow a bit and align it properly. Like align it properly like this. Can you see what we have, guys? And align it properly like this. It's so simple. And let me increase this black shadow. This black one here, let me increase it. This one I blow out. Let me increase it like this. So guys, we have our wine stand. So simple and nice. Just take a look at it. Let me zoom out. So simple and nice. So try this, guys. Let me see what you get. It's so simple and it's so nice. If you have any question, guys, don't hesitate to ask me in the comment section. I'm going to reply all your questions. Thank you for watching my video. Bye for now.